Let's go. Let's go. So this is like super weird, but there's like another meet right down the street, and then there's this meet. The other meet looked like there's way more people, so let's just dump my car somewhere around here, and then we'll go to that one. This one looks kind of like just Mustangs. Oh, but I see some old school Corvettes. So let's go take a look around real quick. All right, so this one, it's like an older crowd, kind of like a lot of older people, and it's just Mustangs. Don't get me wrong, I like Mustangs, but the other one kind of has way more stuff, so I'm gonna go check that one out. Okay, this is basically my crowd. Way more cars, way more people. Dude, if I would ever get a 370Z, it'll probably be one of these right here. This red one's really calling my name. Got work wheels, Workmeisters. But look at the one with the TEs. Damn. I like this one because it's like simple yet clean. Yeah, there's way more people over here. Supra. Yeah, but this is like basically the same cars I saw last time and the time before that, so yeah, let's kind of just look around. Oh damn, look at the wheels over here. Beadlock? Dude, I've never seen that color beadlock. Damn, those look really nice. GT500. Bro, this car's hella nice. I gotta get on some of these people's levels. Another GT500, GTR. And look at this one right here. I feel like if I was ever like, you know, like in my 50s, 60s, this would probably be one of the cars. So subtle, looks so good. And honestly, I don't think it needs that carbon fiber like hood. It just looks good just like that. Yeah. It looks so good. Oh, Axle. I feel like these are the same wheels Axle has. Look at this WRX, the wide body kit. I think this is like the first wide body kit I see on one of these. Here's stock body for comparison. A wide body. And then troqueando, people doing troqueando things. Alright, we found my section. R35, R32. Oh, I forgot the name of this. Cosmo, maybe? The rotary? Yeah. Dude, these are so clean. Confetti seats too. Damn, baller right here. I believe these are like 2 rotors. R32. Work wheels as well. The good thing I like about like old school cars like R7s, R32s, it's the small stuff that shows you like how expensive it is. Like just like, you know, the radiator cap, oil cap, those could be like a few $100s. Oh, we found it. When we found the, funny, we found the red GR86. Yeah, at least mine is modded a little bit. This guy just got tint and I can't tell if it's automatic. No, it's a manual. They're clean, but unfortunately, I'm gonna start saying like, yeah, it's. I'm gonna have to say it, but BRZ's master race. April. I think he just got the car too. All right, this is the third GT500 that we see. I like this one, white with like purple stripes, and then the supercharger is like dark blue, almost like a Mistachrome blue. Oh man. I don't even know what to say on this one. I can say he's very creative and spent a lot of money. Damn, look at that wood. Obviously it's like wrap, but it's creative. I'm gonna give him that. And these are the guys I was behind earlier when we were coming here. Before I went to go look at the other meet. Damn. Holy fuck, this shit's crazy, dude. Full drag car. I mean, look at those turbos. Damn. Yeah, I can't afford this at all. And I can't afford this one either. Damn. Alright, it's like, honestly, there's a lot of walking on this one. But it's a lot of like horsepower cars. Oh man, I thought these cars were parked. They're not parked. You're too low, bro.
You're so fat.
Yeah, there's like no parking over here, man.
Oh shit, should I go right then?
Yeah, I'll say go right or park over there in the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, later. It's funny, there's that meme of like, oh, the reason I don't go to car meets, and all it is just like Mopar Mustangs and like Corvettes. I mean, I would do the same thing if I wanted a lot of power. Oh, 911. Oh man, look at that glittery stuff. It's gonna fade pretty soon. If you want a lot of power, but like on a budget, let's say, quote unquote, it would be like Mopar cars. That, and then obviously the C8s. That's gonna be like in the next few years. Probably one of the best cars for the budget. Just because I believe they're gonna be starting off around like 68,000, 70,000. Used market, it's probably gonna be around like, I don't know, like 50 grand, 40 grand. This is a base model, as you can see, with the wheels. Didn't really get the ceramic package or any of that. Or what is the 1LE package. The great car would be like R35s. This is most likely like a 2009 model. It was red purple. Those are another great car for like a really good budget, around like 50 grand, high mileage. Look at the unicorn right there. Cobra. Ford GT500 that we see. And I can tell you this is probably my favorite one. The white and black combo. Looks really good. As you can see, oh, those are aftermarket taillights. Oh man, it's such a bummer. I actually like the OEM taillights better. But dude, it just looks amazing, especially the front end. The back pretty much looks normal. Oh, okay, I think we see a fifth one right there.
Just sell them and then buy some mods.
Fifth GT500. And this guy actually spent the money and got the carbon wheels. I forgot how much this is. I think it's like a $5,000 or $10,000 option. Correct me if I'm wrong, comment down below. He got the wing as well, so I wish that white one did the same thing. But I still like the white one over this one. So I was gonna show you guys more of the Huracan, but honestly I do not want to walk all the way over there. But you guys saw enough. I mean, it's just a Huracan, one of my dream cars. But yeah, let's get out of here now. Pretty much we saw every single car. And it's just, yeah, like, oh, look at this. That is so cool. Darth Maul, and it looks like it's like a mural. Star Wars theme. Okay, I can mess with that. Yeah, I mean, most of the lineups is just Mustangs, Camaros, and then some of them just have like, you know, tire stickers or wraps, where it's cool, but it's like, I've seen that Mustang on like 5 different car meets already. So yeah. So we're gonna do one more pass on this side. I haven't been over here yet. And then after that, see, oh man, I'm telling you guys, it just looks so subtle and clean. Dude, that thing looks so good. Dude. I got some GTIs over here. Oh, I just saw that guy the other day. I think he went to go get like Jamba Juice or something by my work. Oh man. Dude. The thing if I would get a Corvette would be this. Oh, he got such a good spot too. The fenders look hella nice. He even has like the roof thing. That's another really nice one. And damn, look at that. I don't think that's radiator, probably like oil cooler. Nice. Golf R. Damn, dude, there's a lot of walking today. A lot of nice cars. Look at that, another, I'm assuming 2009 GTR. These are really nice. Got some old trucks. You know what's insane? These old trucks are actually going up in value. So for anyone that has these type of old trucks, you're sitting on some money right now. Yeah, so I gave my spot to Derek. I mean, look at all these cars just coming in here. And I'm about to leave anyways.